Hey everybody, this is Joe Camerari. I'm inside my mobile home. As you know, the water receded, things are moving forward, and got to rebuild. So I'm doing a quick little video. My family, Dawn and Charlie, came by today, and we started cleaning up the production room where I do my Zeppeli mix, because I'm using, this is my area, this is customized for only production, and then also the commissary kitchen, and this was all flooded. Today we cleaned it out and rearranged things, and door is locked. Yeah, see that? The door is locked. So come out here and take a look behind me. The mess. Cleaning up. Yeah, so I have insurance on my product, the Zeppeli mix, but not insurance on fire, wind, or flood. So people been asking what can they do. They want to rebuild the business, and I said, okay, let's. And I'm not here to quit. I don't quit. Everybody knows that. I might take a shot in the face and get held up for a day or two, but I'm gonna rebuild with your help and God's help. Thank you.